kita akan interview talent band dan apa yang kita nak tahu sebagai band.
Korang mesti tak tahu pasal talent band ni kan? Okay.
Kita orang tak tahu, so kita orang rasa macam it's gonna be a new knowledge untuk kita orang.
And it's gonna be a company that gonna grow so big one day, insyaAllah.
Program ni adalah diorang yang Geming Penganjung. So bertempat di mana?
Dimas. Talent ni adalah company yang kita buat event, not just career fair dengan university. Kita ada organisasi kita punya event sendiri, which is our last event is the Talent Bank Career Fair, and also our upcoming is a national career fair. Kita kelak dengan kementerian untuk buat the biggest career fair dekat Malaysia ni.
Menarik.
Syarat utama dia sangat senang. You must have your own email yang sah. If the platform required your phone number, then you need to use your own phone number. Jangan bagi fake phone number also. Okay. Make sure SPMU no fail.
No fail.
You lulus, kita akan accept, but make sure no fail. And also if you lepaskan degree, kita accept like 3 pointer kat atas. Internship also. Okay, so like I had mentioned just now, your CGPA must be 3 pointer and above. Minimum internship period must be 3 months. 3 months minimum. Yes, betul. Make sure you punya result tak dianggarkan.
3.0 juga lah.
3.0, yes. If you are fresh graduate from any background, we do accept. Okay, let's say you daripada finance, tapi you nak try new things. Since kita event management company kan, you can join our career fair team or operation team, because from there you can ikut kita untuk buat all the career fair dekat universities. So fun. You can join not just in finance department,
Okay.
also career fair punya.
Macam banyak benda yang baru lah.
Yes, learn new things. Betul. Most likely yang sekarang ni kita tengah banyak open is HR
Okay.
and operation team. Yes, betul. Siapa yang nak join kita punya kita panggil dia resume clinic lah, resume clinic, and also mentor mentee. Kita akan buat every career fair, which is during the Talent Bank Career Fair and also our upcoming national career fair. So kat situ you boleh queue and kita buat dua, so mentor and mentee sharing session and also resume clinic. So kat situ not just you akan dapat tips from the mentor from any industries, at the same time dia akan check you punya resume, dia akan tolong juga. Kita ada orang dia, so which is my boss.
Okay.
Agak introvert, so I just mention lah. So my boss before this dia intern, and start from intern, right now dia adalah director for our company, the director of employer Lizon. So dia dah dengan company kita about almost 10 years.
10 years?
Start from intern.
Talent apa ni? How many years?
Dah 15 years.
Oh yeah, 50 years talent band.
Yes.
Okay.
So dia dah lama dah.
Dah lama dah.
Since internship ni. So what's the tip is you masa internship tu you do your best.
Yeah.
Jika kita akan ambil intern untuk terus permanent if you performance elok.
Okay.
Let's say you punya internship so last year kan, final year, and then you punya performance is getting better every day, every month, and from there kita akan masukkan you as a permanent. Based on my experience lah kan, as a fresh graduate, you akan pergi banyak interview.
Betul.
Not just with Talent Bank, from other company also. But from my experience, I go through 3 interviews before this macam job lain and then role lain, and then for that role I tak dapat, and then I try lagi, I try my best for the next role. Then I went for 2 interview. So from there bagi I adalah cabaran because let's say you nak that role,
Betul.
tapi tak dapat, you dapat benda lain. So from there bagi you cabaran.
Betul.
So you tak dapat apa yang you nak. Tapi for bila you fikir balik, that one is a new experience for you lah. You akan learn new things, not just apa yang you nak. Bila you dapat that role, you akan belajar benda baru.